But let's get to our next caller. We have Mahesh who calls us from Mumbai. He has investments in IDFC. Hi, Mahesh. Good morning. Mahesh?
1,000 share. Hello.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, I have a 1,000 share of IDFC
All right.
at the rate of 160.
Okay.
Yes, I can hold it 1 year. 1 year. So what target? 1 year target.
1 year target. All right. Gaurav, what's your take on this particular query? 2,000 shares. He's out of the money. I think he's lost close to around 20% of his capital, but he can wait for the next 1 year. Will it bounce back?
Bounce back is quite possible, Nigel. The question is not whether it will be having a bounce back from these levels. If you look at the technical patterns, the RSI is in the oversold, the momentum indicator just started about 2 inch higher. So there is a bounce back that is inevitable. It can be as high as 5 to 10 percentage points. Also, 125, 130 zone is evolving as a good support level, support zone, short-term base formation around those levels. Volumes have been improving around these levels. It has just started to pick up. So even all of these factors indicate the bounce back is inevitable. It might again head back towards 145, 150 zone. Then the larger question is whether even after holding for a year, if the stock would travel to around 180, 200, that would make good case for having an investment in the stocks. I would say that would be a little bit difficult. There are some fundamental aspects also attached to it regarding the IDFC bank, but I feel on a technical pattern, I would say one can hold the stock. Doesn't make sense to book such a huge loss at these levels. There's a bounce back that can be seen. I would say in next 3 to 5 months, if it's holding on to 160 kind of levels, then there's a possibility of that. One has to review the investments on a timely basis. But overall, I don't see too much of a jump happening because it has to sustain the levels of 150, 170. That zone has been forming a lot of selling, a lot of fresh shorts, and a lot of unwinding happening at those zones, 150 to 170. So it will have to cross and sustain those levels. Then you can have a swift ride till 200 to 220.
All right, Gaurav. Thanks so much for joining this morning, giving us your view on a couple of stocks as well as on the Nifty.